Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time, but we're doing a food review. Barber Foods, raw stuffed chicken breasts, cream brie, and apple. Okay, so for those that have seen previous videos, you know that we make fresh stuffed chicken. In this case, we're gonna try a frozen one that's actually raw chicken.
It's raw!
Yeah, and there's two in a package, and the name is Barber Foods, as I said before. Yes.
And it's filled with brie, cheddar and mozzarella cheese, sliced apples, and cranberries.
It was very important for her to get that out to you guys. So let's check the nutritional facts, just in case. So here you go, for those that care. So, raw, do not microwave, so it goes in the oven, but we are going to use the air fryer.
Air fryer.
Our beautiful air fryer. So, if my lovely assistant can take them out, let's take a look at what they look like. And as I said, we do have on our other videos, my beautiful wife makes fresh stuffed chicken. That is amazing. Check those videos out.
And what's great is, you know, sometimes you pull out the stuff and then you throw out the box and then you're like, oh no, what was I supposed to cook it at? And you go pull it out of the garbage. Don't worry. And your instructions are right on the packaging.
I think that's one of the first times I've seen that.
Yep.
So of course, this is from the great state of USA.
That's
All
not a state,
English
that's a
writing.
country.
There you go. Perfect. So we're gonna put these. Let's open it. Come on up. Take a
So
look
yeah,
at it.
we're gonna put these in the air fryer at 375.
Yes, open it so you can see.
And we will open it up and place it into the air fryer.
Open it so you can see it. Although you shouldn't touch raw chicken. with
That's
your
it.
hand.
You're making me do this. Doo-doo.
Of course, it's breaded.
How cute is this little
How
guy?
thick is it? See, it's does it fit in my hand? It does.
It's a little bigger. It's like a Hot Pocket, but chicken.
I don't recommend putting chicken in your hands, but here we go. All right, let's put them in the air fryer. Popped into the air fryer. Gonna cook them at 375.
Now, in the oven, it says that it should cook within a half hour. I'm pretty sure our air fryer starts at, not starts, but ends at 20 minutes. We're gonna start with 15.
Oops. 15.
Temperature. Oh, temperature. Lower. At 275.
Beautiful air fryer by Drew Barrymore. Still working great, guys. Although we've been on a cruise ship eating good and not been eating fast food or frozen food, so this is a
Rarity.
This is a first in a while.
All right, starting it.
We'll check them in about 5 minutes. 15 minutes has passed by. Let's check and see. As you see, the stuffing is starting to squirt out. I'm gonna use this old thermometer and see what that chicken should be at. 180. Keep in mind this was raw. So it doesn't look like it's quite done yet. I'm gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes. That's gonna make it an even 20 minutes. And put this at 10 more minutes. And maybe we'll leave it at 400. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at 400 for 10 minutes. We'll see you guys in 10. So it's been a total of 22 minutes. Let's check it out. I did change the temperature back to 375, by the way. Wow, this one is gushing. So let's take our old thermometer. Oop. That stuff. Poka, poka, poka. Chicken should be 180. We are done. That's good news. So let's take one of these out. Transfer it to the plate. And Let's, whoops, we don't want it to go anymore. Let's cook it off. So let's take a look at it. Looks like a big chicken McNugget. Let's cut her open. Oh, it's crispy, guys. Let's see how much stuffing is actually in this. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's not easy with one hand. It is smoking hot. It might actually be all stuffing and no chicken. Who knows? Let's have a quick taste of it. Here's the little cranberries. Look at it just gushing out there. Let's see. Oh, here's some chicken. And a cranberry. Let's get some sauce with that. That is going to be hot. But I'm willing to make the sacrifice for you guys. Let's see. Very creamy. Wow. I didn't get a lot of chicken in that bite, but I got a lot of the cream and a lot of the stuffing. It's very nice, very sweet. Would definitely recommend for anyone who who doesn't want to check out our last video and actually make your own fresh stuffed chicken. Feel free to try out the Barber frozen chicken stuffed with brie and apples. Guys, thanks for watching. Next videos are going to be travel videos, so I hope you stick around. Take care.